What if aging isn't just about the passing of time, but about toxic cells hiding deep inside your body? Scientists now believe that so-called zombie cells might be one of the biggest drivers of aging, chronic disease, and physical decline. And exciting new research suggests we might finally know how to eliminate them. For decades, we've considered aging inevitable, a slow, irreversible process written into our DNA. Wrinkles, weakness, and disease were all seen as just natural consequences of getting older. But modern biology is telling a very different story. Researchers at top institutions like the Mayo Clinic have identified a major culprit behind aging: senescent cells, more commonly known as zombie cells. So, what exactly are they? Normally, when our cells become damaged or old, they either repair themselves or undergo a process of self-destruction called apoptosis. It's like a built-in cleanup crew. But senescent cells are different. They enter a state where they stop dividing and doing their job, but they refuse to die. They just hang around like zombies. And that's where the trouble starts. Instead of quietly fading away, these zombie cells release a stream of inflammatory chemicals and toxic signals into the surrounding tissue. This toxic cocktail contributes to chronic inflammation, tissue degeneration, and a weakened immune system. Over time, these cells accumulate in our skin, muscles, joints, and organs. Think of it this way: the more zombie cells you have, the faster your body appears to age. Research supported by the National Institutes of Health has shown a strong link between the buildup of these cells and the physical decline we see with age in both animals and humans. It's a major factor in diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and cardiovascular disorders. But here's where the science becomes truly revolutionary. Researchers have developed a class of experimental drugs known as Senolytics. These compounds are designed specifically to hunt down and destroy senescent cells without harming the healthy ones around them. Early studies in mice have shown astonishing results. When scientists cleared out these zombie cells in aged mice, they observed incredible improvements: better physical function, stronger hearts, reduced inflammation, and even an extended lifespan. In 2018, Mayo Clinic researchers published findings showing that eliminating these cells delayed multiple age-related disorders in animal models. Of course, human trials are still in the early stages, exploring senolytics for specific conditions. But experts are cautious. This isn't a fountain of youth pill just yet. The science is incredibly promising, but long-term safety and effectiveness in humans are still being investigated. Pharmaceuticals aren't the only approach, though. Emerging evidence suggests that certain natural states, particularly fasting, might also help our bodies fight back against these zombie cells. When you fast, your body activates a powerful survival mechanism called autophagy. The Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi actually won a Nobel Prize in 2016 for his discoveries on this process. Autophagy acts like a cellular cleanup system, allowing our cells to break down and recycle damaged components. Some researchers believe that practices like intermittent fasting could indirectly reduce the burden of zombie cells by boosting these natural repair pathways. It's important to be clear, though: fasting is not a proven anti-aging cure, and extreme fasting can be dangerous without medical supervision. Still, the connection between our metabolism, inflammation, and aging is one of the hottest areas in longevity science. If senolytics or metabolic therapies prove safe and effective, the implications are enormous. We might not just treat individual diseases like arthritis or heart disease. We might be able to target aging itself as the root cause, delaying their onset altogether. It is a shift from just treating sickness to optimizing our health and how long we live well. Of course, this raises big ethical questions. Who would get access to these treatments? Could they widen the gap between the rich and the poor? And should we even be treating aging as a disease? For centuries, humans have searched for the fountain of youth. Today, the answer might not be in a mythical spring, but in microscopic cells hiding inside our own bodies. Zombie cells challenge the idea that aging is just our fate. They suggest it might be biological damage that we can understand and one day, possibly even reverse. We are at the very beginning of this incredible journey, not the end. The future of anti-aging medicine may not make us immortal, but it just might help us all live longer, stronger, and healthier lives. And that could change everything. For more science-backed deep dives into the future of health, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.